Hey guys, if you want to find out how I went from looking like this to looking like this, then keep on watching. Welcome back everyone to my channel. So today I am going to be getting ready since I haven't been getting ready for the past few days because of this quarantine. So I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me. I already did my hair. I guess I've been making the best out of this time I've been here at the house and just, you know, my makeup skills, a little bit on my cooking skills. I've been catching up on reading. I've been bringing out all these like palettes that I hadn't used and that I was really excited to use. Like this one I got through BoxyCharm, and it's really nice. It's really cute, and I've been wanting to use it. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Don't mind my hot Cheeto fingers, but isn't that a beauty? So I've been wanting to like play around with like this color maybe and like bring this one into. So I'm gonna be doing a little of that today. So yeah, I'm gonna put some music in the background so hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but I prefer listening to music when I get ready. I don't know about you guys, but I love listening to music or watching YouTubers in the background, just to keep my mind kind of like, yeah, I guess have kind of like some white noise as I do my makeup. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start off by using this is a Tarte Quench primer. So this was really good for dry skin. This is my favorite. These are my favorite, my go-to. Feels as comfortable to me personally as putting on my foundation first, and then even if I get a little fallout with my eyeshadow, just dusting that little fallout off from the bottom. But that's just like what I feel the most comfortable with. Yeah, so I just wanted to stop and say that.
To fly a rocket ship, you need to be an optimist.
This one's called Raizin. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, so I'll be right back. And boom, I'm back. My eyebrows look like trash. So welcome to my channel, guys, where my eyebrows will always look like trash. So let's continue with my makeup. I'm really excited to use this palette. So I think I'm gonna be using a combination of this palette, which I was telling you guys I got in my BoxyCharm. I got I'm gonna be mixing that palette with a few colors from here. Before I move on, I'm gonna it's the mattifying continuous setting mist, and it's really nice. Really nice. If you haven't tried it, try it out because it's really nice. Hello. Hello. coming and watching this video, guys. I know it wasn't like all that, but I really like the little cute makeup I did. Quarantine vibes, guys. Make the best out of what you have, you know. Practice your makeup, do things you don't have time to regularly do, and yeah, flourish, you guys. Stay safe, stay positive, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.